Hi, I'm Daphne. I'm so glad to see you here. Today we are going to learn 4 tones. They are ah, 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 ah. Again, ah, 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 ah. Yes, very good. Before we learn 4 tones, we should know there are 5 pitches in Chinese pronunciation. Just like music, ah. When we pronounce the first tone, we keep on the highest pitch stable. Ah, ah, good. Ah, yes, perfect. This is the symbol of the first tone. Let's try the second tone. The second tone is from the medium pitch up to the highest pitch. Ah, ah, good. Ah, yes. Let's see the third tone. The third tone is from the lower pitch down to the lowest pitch and then up to the medium pitch. Ah, good. Ah, great. Ah, fantastic. Good, very good. Now let's see this. The fourth tone. The fourth tone is from the highest pitch down, 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 down to the lowest pitch. From the highest pitch down to the lowest pitch in short time. Ah, ah, fantastic. Ah, so great. Now, repeat after me, okay? Ah, good. Ah, good. Ah, good. Ah, fantastic. You got it. You're so great. Now let's try this. Do you remember this? Yes, it's ah. So ma ah. Yes, ma. Great, great. And do you remember this? Yes, it's ah. So ma ah. Yes, very good. It's ma. Ma. And do you remember this? Yes, it's ah. So ma ah. Yes, very good. Ma. 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 Great. And do you remember this? Yes, it's ah. So ma ah. Yes, it's ma. Great, great. Ma. Yes, very good. Now let's try this. Let's do some exercise. Listen to me and tell me which tone do you hear? Ma, ma, ma. Which tone? Let's see. When I pronounce ma, it is the highest pitch, right? And I keep the highest pitch stable, right? So yes, yes, it is the first tone. Okay, now listen to me. Which tone? Ma, ma, ma. Which tone? Okay, let's see. Ah, ah, down, right? Ah, and then ah, right? Ah, ah. So It is, yes, the third tone. Repeat after me. Ah, ah, yes, fantastic, fantastic. Now repeat after me. We finished today's lesson. Okay, repeat after me. Let's go. Ma, ma, good. Ma, ma, yes, fantastic. You did a good job. See you next time. Bye. Ha 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 ha.